Sibulethu Nkambule, and welcome to the Weather Board. It is the 9th of June, and of course we're still on a level 3 lockdown in South Africa. I hope you are taking good care of yourself, sanitizing and wearing masks wherever you go. Now let's take a look at Gauteng. As you can see, it has 0% on possibilities for rain, and of course it is going to be sunny with the highest temperature in Joburg of 18 degrees and 5 degrees is their lowest temperature. Moving on to Vereeniging, it's sitting on 3 degrees and 19 is their highest temperature for today. Pretoria is sitting on 7 degrees and 22 degrees is their highest temperature. This morning in Soweto is quite freezing. It is 4 degrees and 19 is their highest temperature for today. Now heading on to our next province, which is KwaZulu-Natal, starting off with Pietermaritzburg, is sitting on 8 degrees and 26 degrees is of course their highest temperature. Durban is 13 degrees. 13 degrees is their lowest temperature and 25 degrees is their highest temperature. Kokstad is sitting on 2 degrees, which is quite cold this morning, and 21 degrees is their highest temperature for today. Ulundi is 8 and 26. And moving on to Richards Bay. Richards Bay is 15 degrees and 26 is their highest temperature for today. Now heading on to our next province, which is Eastern Cape. As we can see that in Port Elizabeth, it will be quite sunny and partly cloudy, and the rest of the province is of course cloudy. Heading on to East London. East London has 11 degrees being their lowest temperature and 29 degrees is their highest temperature. The coldest it will get in Bisho is 14 degrees and 27 is of course their maximum temperature for today. Makanda is sitting on 11 degrees and 27 is their highest temperature, and Kowa is actually cold with 1 degrees for today and 19 degrees is their highest temperature for today. Heading on to our next province, which is the Western Cape. Taking a look at Cape Town, it has 30% of rain, possibilities of rain for today, and is sitting on 13 degrees being their lowest temperature and 20 degrees is their highest temperature. George is going to be sunny with the maximum temperature of 33 degrees and 10 degrees being their lowest temperature. So it's going to be quite a bit warmer than the rest of the towns. Moving on to Muscle Bay as well. Muscle Bay is on 32 is their highest temperature and 12 is their lowest temperature. Beaufort West is sitting on 16 degrees and 27 degrees is their highest temperature for today. Looking at Robertson is 27 degrees, that is their highest temperature, and 8 degrees is their lowest temperature. Now moving on to Free State. Free State is going to be sunny. It doesn't have any possibilities of rain as well. Now let's take a look at Bloemfontein. It's quite chilly with the minimum temperature of -2 degrees and 21 degrees is their highest temperature for today. Bethlehem is sitting on -3, which is much colder than the rest of the towns in Free State. It's -3 and 18 degrees is their highest temperature. Welkom is sitting on 23 degrees being their highest temperature and 3 degrees is of course their lowest temperature. Kronstadt is sitting on 2 degrees and 22 is their highest temperature. Harriet-Smith is sitting on 2 degrees and 19 is of course their highest temperature as well. Now Northern Cape, as you can see, Sutherland is going to be partly cloudy with the minimum temperature of 0 degrees and 21 being the highest temperature for today in Sutherland. Now moving on to Postmasburg is sitting on 3 degrees and 24 is their highest temperature. Upington is going to be sunny with the temperature of 27 degrees being their highest temperature and 9 degrees being their lowest temperature. Kimberley has 3 degrees being their lowest temperature, and 24 degrees is their highest temperature. Presca is sitting on 6 degrees, which is not so cold. However, you need to dress warm for this weather, and 25 degrees is their highest temperature for today. Now heading on to the Northwest Province, as you can see, it is sunny. However, most of the towns, actually all 4 towns, has highest temperature of 23 degrees, which is Mahikeng, Potchefstroom, as well as Vryburg with Rustenburg. They have the same highest temperature, which is 23, and Klerksdorp only has 22 degrees, as well as their lowest temperature for today. Starting off with Mahikeng, it is of course 4 degrees, and Potchefstroom is 0 degrees. Vryburg is 3, and as well as Rustenburg is 3 degrees for today. However, Klerksdorp is a bit cold for today, this morning, with 1 degrees being their minimum temperature for today. Now heading on to the last province for today, which is Mpumalanga. As you can see, Mbombela and Mbombela and Skukuza will be cloudy. However, Mbombela does have a bit of sunlight, as well as Standerton. Starting off with Mbombela, as you can see, it is sitting on 24 degrees being their highest temperature, and 10 degrees is the lowest temperature for today. Standerton is sitting on 21 degrees, and 4 is their lowest temperature. Skukuza, being cloudy, will have the highest temperature of 25 and the lowest temperature of 13 degrees. And Melo is sitting on 5 degrees, and 19 is their highest temperature. Thank you so much for tuning in to News on TV. Be sure to tune in later again with Bahle Mashaya and Lindo Koza for more news updates.